Hello, I am going to discuss hematemesis. Hematemesis is defined as the hematemesis, that is the vomiting of the blood, or the hematemesis is the regurgitation of stomach contents mixed with blood. That is the regurgitation of blood only. Vomiting of the blood type. Vomiting of the blood type. Number one, that is not causing any long term not causing any long term harm. For example, in some situations, for example, अपना swallowing, then blood from a mouth injury or nosebleeds. Number two, may be caused by more serious infection, by more serious condition, for example, internal injury or organ bleeding or organ rupture, regurgitation of blood. Brown or dark red or bright red in color. Darker blood means bleeding from upper GIT sources, for example, stomach. Bright red blood indicates acute. Bright red blood indicates acute bleeding from esophagus or stomach. May be a fast bleeding source. Color of the blood not always indicates source and severity of the bleeding. A vomiting is vomiting that is large amount of blood, say 500 cc, and if the vomiting of the blood is accompanied along with dizziness or changes in the breathing, it is a medical emergency. It is a medical emergency. And vomiting of the blood. The minor conditions: esophagus irritation, nosebleeds, swallowing of the blood, tear in the esophagus due to chronic cough or vomiting, then swallowing of the foreign object. Then other common causes of vomiting of the blood are stomach ulcers, aspirin side effects, gastritis or stomach inflammation, then the SADS side effects, and pancreatitis. That is, we have first said minor conditions, that is esophagus irritation, nosebleeds, swallowing of the blood, tear in the esophagus due to chronic cough or vomiting, and swallowing foreign object. And other common causes of vomiting of the blood are stomach ulcers, aspirin side effects, gastritis or stomach inflammation, NSAIDs side effects, and pancreatitis. More serious causes are cirrhosis, then esophageal cancer, then erosion of the stomach lining, then pancreatic ulcer, then pancreatic cancer. Not ulcer, but it is a pancreatic cancer. Then vomiting, that is a coffee ground vomiting due to the presence of coagulated blood in the vomit. Color of the vomited blood will vary as long as how long the blood was in the GIT system. If delay in vomiting, the blood becomes dark red, brown or black, and is a serious condition. Causes stomach or esophageal problems. Then the problem related to the cirrhosis from alcohol abuse, viral hepatitis, and autoimmune diseases or fatty liver disease. And coffee ground vomitus. And the other causes are cancer of the esophagus, pancreas, and the stomach. Then the diseases, for example, Ebola virus infection, then hemophilia B, and yellow fever. And let us do some discussion. What is the difference between the hematochezia and melena? GIT bleeding, melena or hematochezia. HEMATOCHEZIA. Melena is the black stools. Hematochezia is a fresh red blood in stool. And this blood is mixed with the stool and or comes out separately. Hematochezia is usually from the colon and melena from a higher point in the GIT. Both are the symptoms, not actually conditions. Then hematochezia is bright red in color, bleeding in the colon, that is close to the anus, or a short distance it has to travel, and so it is still fresh by the time it leaves the anus, and also mixed with your stools, and it may be separate, or and it may cause more minor bleeding than melena does. Other symptoms which accompany it may be diarrhea or changes in bowel habits, bowel habits, and abdominal pain, fever, weight loss. Melena, black tarry stools, and can be differentiated from bright red with hematochezia. Blood is jet black, and stool also look or feel sticky, and the blood is darker or travel farther down GIT. When it reaches anus, it has been deoxygenated. That is, it removes its bright red color, and also addition to melena, it get hematomesis or vomiting of the blood. And next is the causes, both bleeding. Both are the bloody stools, each with different cause. Hematochezia originates lower in the GIT and usually in the colon. Several things can cause it, including internal hemorrhoids, HEMORRHOIDS, internal hemorrhoids, diverticular disease, there is diverticulitis, anal fissures, colon cancer, ischemic colitis, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, neoplastic polyps, then benign tumors, children by IBD, irritable, there is IBD, that is inflammatory bowel disease, and Meckel's diverticular or juvenile polyps, melena by bleeding higher up in the GIT, may be due to peptic ulcer or gastric or esophagus varices, varices, gastritis, stomach cancer, or Mallory-Weiss syndrome, MALLORYWEISS syndrome. Newborns, some have melena from swallowing of the blood during delivery. Diagnosis: hematochezia by colonoscopy, and number 2 enteroscopy, then barium X-ray and or radionuclide scanning, RADIO and CLADE, then angiography and laparotomy, that is more invasive test, opening up the abdomen. Then melena, all the above tests, there is similar test, and also use number 1 EGD, esophagogastroduodenoscopy, to check signs of bleeding higher up in your GIT tract. When the instrument is passed through the mouth and the esophagus. And number 2, number 2 is blood, stool and breath test to see signs of infection, including those by Helicobacter pylori. So these were the discussion about hematemesis.